What up, people? It's your boy Sean J Says, and in this video, I just want to talk about the news of what happened today in the tech world, which is basically Apple announced their June 11th to June 15th WWDC conference, which basically what WWDC stands for, the Worldwide Developers Conference. Of course, like I said, it's going to be held on June 11th to June 15th, which basically for a lot of people who don't know what the WWDC is, it's basically just a big conference where developers from across the world go to showcase, not showcase, but really Apple showcase what they're working on, and also give developer packages out there, so people can see what they're working on. Now, the keynote is set for June 11th. Now, usually during their keynotes, that's when they usually talk about the iPhone. But since the iPhone came out in October, they're probably gonna do what they did last year for the iPhone 4S and keep it separate, for later on. I don't think they're actually gonna move it up to June and then have pre-orders start the day of June 11th, and then 2 weeks later the iPhone 5 or whatever it's gonna be, the new iPhone or whatever it's gonna be called, it's gonna be showcased. I don't think that's gonna happen. Really. We know for sure they're going to talk about OS 10 Mountain Lion, which basically is just going to bring in new iOS features to basically make the whole Apple experience as far as laptops, iPhone, and iPad just basically integrated into one whole system, which basically your iPhone, your iPad, your iMac, your Mac Pro, your MacBook Pro, and your Mac Air is all going to be one universal system, or I should say operating system, I should say. And that's really what it's going to be. Now, my predictions, what they're going to talk about is hopefully they're going to talk about iOS 6. And with iOS 6, I really want to see a lot of customization. Basically on the gist of Android, as with the customizability. Because of course, iOS is just, plain Jane. It's just right there in your face, easy to use, but it's not a lot of customization. They don't give you a lot of options with it. Hopefully with iOS 6, they customize to your person. Hopefully that's what they're going to bring in. And of course, also with the developers conference, they usually, give a beta format of whatever iPhone, iOS, I should say, whatever iOS software that they're actually going to throw out there, sooner or later. They'll actually give it out sometime right after the conference. But I think it's going to be really huge this year. For what they're saying, from the rumor mill, they're saying that they're actually going to start talking about the actual Apple TV itself, not the little small box that you can stream your music, stream pictures, watch Netflix and different other things like that, but the actual TV that's supposed to have super OLED in it. But of course, from what I've seen from CES videos earlier in January, that's going to run between $5,000 to $8,000. But you never know, Apple got stupid money. They got they have $110 billion in the bank just chilling, and the company's worth $700 billion. Yeah, they could probably come up with something like that. But you never know what's going to happen in these developer conferences or any other conferences, I should say. Therefore, rest in peace to Steve Jobs, but he always used to come out with that one more thing, and it used to be something big. We never know with the new head boss, Tim Cook, what he's gonna come up with in this whole conference. So, we just gotta wait and see. But like I said, we will see something about Mountain Lion, OS 10. Hopefully we'll see something about some new iMacs, new MacBook Pros, or either they're gonna discontinue something, or only keep it to a certain size. You might see something about Mac Airs, saying that they're probably they're gonna have the 13 and 15 inch Mac Pros. They might put Intel chips inside. You never know what's gonna go on. I can probably sit down and just read off the different rumors from a lot of tech websites that I look at, and I could probably go on for 30 minutes on a video on, on the rumors for it. But I just wanted just to throw that out there just to let you guys know what's going on. Like I said, it's June 11th to June 15th. The keynote is actually what opens up the whole event is on June 11th, and it will be in San Francisco, California. So, I mean, if you got your ticket already, you're good to go. But I know you spend a lot of money because it's actually $1,600 for a ticket, and it's already sold out. So you made a pretty good investment if you actually going to attend the WWDC. I mean, hopefully I get to attend one of those before I either retire in this tech thing or just go ahead and kick the bucket. But anyways, I just wanted to throw that out there to y'all today. So go ahead and comment, give me your views and thoughts and what you feel that is going to be held at the event. Rate my video if you like it, like I said, just give it a good old thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, more videos to come. Sorry that I haven't start off with App Weekly yet, but App Weekly, I promise, will be starting next Wednesday, which of course the following Sunday of that will be This Week in Tech. So just stay tuned for those videos, and I'll catch you guys later, man. Peace.